You will appreciate the private setting of this home. Well maintained, spacious and ready to sit back and enjoy. Home consists of 1,680 square feet with 2 bedrooms, plus extra room for den or office. 2 full baths. Open concept floor plan in living room, dining and kitchen. Bright and sunny with skylight in kitchen. Separate sun room, covered porch, and large carport. Also includes a storage/workshop building, a smaller storage unit, and deer-proof garden with raised beds. Rural location but only minutes to Jamestown and Sonora.